Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. I know it's been a minute, but I'm so excited to finally be back here making something again. I figured what better way to celebrate the Black community and the wonderful women in all of our lives by combining the two for Edna Lewis's banana pudding. I'm really hungry. Let's get started. Put 2 cups of whole milk, a cup of heavy cream, and a vanilla bean into a pot, heating it slowly until they're just below a simmer, then cover and remove the pot from the heat. Let that steep for 20 minutes while you separate the eggs. You're going to need 12 egg whites for this recipe. Nope. You're going to need 12 egg yolks for this recipe. Keep the egg whites though, you'll need those for later. Now would be a really good time to do some arm and wrist warm-ups because the amount of whisking in this recipe is astronomical. Anything for Edna though. Whisk the sugar into the yolks, followed by 1/3 cup of flour and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and whisk until everything is smooth. After 20 minutes, take out the vanilla bean from the steeped milk and cream and slowly whisk the milk into the egg yolks. Return the mixture to the saucepan and cook whisking constantly, yes, constantly, over moderately high heat until the custard thickens and begins to bubble. Remember when I said there was a lot of whisking involved? Cook for 1 minute after the custard begins to boil, then take it off the heat. It should be thick. Immediately whisk in the remaining 1 cup of heavy cream, or the rest of the little bottle if you're like me, and the vanilla extract, then set aside while you slice 4 ripe bananas and, wait for it, a whole damn angel food cake. Cut the angel food cake into 1-inch cubes, preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and get ready to put it all together. Start by spooning a thin layer of custard onto the bottom of an oven-proof baking dish. Top it with a layer of cake and the sliced bananas, and then just continue layering until you run out of ingredients. While I've got you here for a second, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Instagram at maddies.kitchen for more awesome content like this. Now, remember those egg whites we saved earlier? If you have a stand mixer, I envy you for this next step. If meringue powder is more your style, believe me, I understand. Beat the egg whites with 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 at a time, until they become frothy, then add in vanilla extract and continue beating until they start to form firm peaks. This is gonna take a while. Like, put on some music or this YouTube video, perhaps, and spend your time doing something else because you're gonna be here for a while. Once it's frothy and forms firm peaks, immediately put the meringue on top of the banana pudding and make it pretty. Put it into the preheated oven until the top of the meringue is golden brown, and serve the banana pudding right away or chill it in the fridge. It's literally delicious no matter what you do. And there we have it, Edna Lewis's banana pudding. Happy Women's History Month, and thanks so much for hanging out in my kitchen again. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.